First, make sure that the correct paper is loaded. Launch the Epson Easy Photo Print application. Navigate to your Photos folder on the left-hand pane. Select the photos to print. These get added to the right-hand pane. To remove a photo, simply click Remove. Click Next Step. In the next panel, the first photo is automatically positioned and sized. Ensure that the correct paper size is selected. Otherwise, click on Printer Settings. Uncheck the borderless option. Choose correct paper type and size. Click OK. The best settings are automatically chosen for you. However, if you wish to manually size or position it, check the Manual option. Add the photo to the canvas manually by dragging and dropping. Click on Positioning. Use the Fit button to fit the photo. Use the magnification slider to reduce the size. Either drag the photo on the canvas or use the Move Photo buttons to position it. Close the panel. To add another photo, navigate to Next Page using the Next Page button. Drag and drop another photo and position and resize it according to requirements. Click Print to print the photos.